Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you what is pivot table in Microsoft Excel and how to create pivot table. First of all, let me tell that what is pivot table. A pivot table is a powerful data summarization tool that can automatically sort, count, and sum up data stored in tables and display the summarized data. You can use a pivot table to analyze numerical data in detail and answer unanticipated questions about your data. A pivot table is especially designed for querying large amounts of data in many user-friendly ways. Let's create a pivot table. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel. Now take some data. I am going to create an employee salary sheet. First of all, I need some headings for employees. First is employee number. Then employee name, job title, department, basic salary, annual bonus, and attendance. Resize cells. Now write data of all categories. And make it header with color. Main heading is employee salary sheet. Our salary sheet is created. I will create a pivot table for it. Select data which you want to add in pivot table. If you want to select whole sheet, click on first cell and click Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. It will select all rows of first column. And then press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. It will select all column of view sheet. Now click on Insert section. And here you can see there is option of pivot table. Click on it. It will ask where you want to create pivot table. New worksheet or existing worksheet. Make sure new worksheet is checked. If you check on existing worksheet, it will change your worksheet. Now click OK. You can see our pivot table is created in new worksheet. In previous sheet there was all fields of our sheet were displaying. But here, you can see specified field of your sheet. For example, I want to see how many employees in my company. Click on employee name. You can see only field of employee name is showing. List of all employees is displaying with name. There are 14 employees in my company. Now I want to see job title of every employee. Then again go to pivot fields. And click on job title. You can see every employee with name and with job title is showing. To see salary of employees, click on basic salary. You can manage each and everything from here. You can also assign a name to your pivot table. There are some more functions. Click on pivot table analyze. And on top left corner, click on pivot table. And here, you can write name of your pivot table. Let's see some additional settings. Click on field setting. On this pop-up, you can change field name. In subtotal and filters, you can add subtotal on every item, like sum, count, average, max, min, and so on. Click on OK. You can see mathematical functions are added. Again go to setting. And click on layout and print. Here you can add repeat item labels. Blank line after each item label. And also show item with no data. Click OK. To move your pivot table anywhere, click on Move Pivot Table. This pop-up will ask you where you want to move your pivot table. New worksheet or existing worksheet. and click OK. Table will move. You can see how much easy we customize our pivot table. If you have any question and suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.